Hi everyone. As you know, I did a video. BeeBeeCraft had given me some items and I showed you what the items were. I basically got some beads, some owl charms, and some binder rings. So binder rings, you just use those for, you can make a journal with them or make a little tag booklet with them. But today I'm going to show you with the beads. I made some Pokey tools. So I used these beads for this one with this is a heart charm. And I did it again in blue. All right, and here's a little blue heart charm here. All right, and I figured we could make a Christmassy one today. So let me get them out. Some of these, all right, two of these look pink and one looks red. So I think I only have one red. So maybe I'll do 2 greens, a red, and a gold. All right, let's do these. Let's make a Christmassy one. So I have my Pokey tool right here. I get these from Hobby Lobby. They come 2 in a pack. All right, and so I just get my little bead, jewelry and bead E6000. And I just put a little on like that. And what we'll do is we'll do a green. Just put some more there. Let's put a spacer. We'll do gold. Put some more glue. Let's do a red. All right, and then let's do another, just a little bit more glue, not too much. I wish the bottle was a lot smaller, because a lot of times it dries out before you can use all that. And then we'll finish it up with the green. I'll put a little bit more here. But I don't trust this anyway too much, because when you're using these a lot, eventually the glue is gonna just, it's not gonna stick forever. All right. So that's why I like the ones from Hobby Lobby, because I was just gonna show you the piece that comes and it fell. Hold on a minute. This is like a needle in a haystack. I was like, this is the most important piece, and it falls out of my hand. It's all right. I'll use this one, and I'll find it after the video. The reason why I like the ones from Hobby Lobby is because they have this little stopper with them. And I don't know. I guess you can buy that separate from a place, but I just like the fact that they already come with it. And I just put it, I always put it here. And I put it really tight up there like that. And that's how I do it, because I won't take that piece off. That way they always stay tight. Sometimes when I'm using one, sorry, I'm dropping everything. I went to show you and the thing fell. You know what? Whatever. Sometimes when I'm using it, it comes apart. So this thing always keeps it together. So I just always keep that with it. All right. And I always like to leave a little bit of room so that you can hold it and hold it better. So now let's put a little charm. And since I love owls so much, and most of us do, this owl that I also got from BeeBeeCraft has some red and green in it. So let's just make it a Christmas owl. We could do whatever we want, right? So let's quickly just put this on the top of it. All right. Then we'll hang it from here. Sorry, I'm not in frame. Close it up. So there we have it. Our little Christmas. We did a little Christmas pokey tool with our Christmas owl. Okay. So that was a quick tutorial on that. And then we have these two. And like I said, these are the charms. And these are the beads I'm working with that I got from them. And here are the binder clips that I bought, that they gave me. So, the links are all in the bottom of the description if you want to check out their website, if you want any of the links to any of these beads or charms or binder rings, everything is there. And if you want to use my code Petey10 on your order, you'll get 10% off of your order. So I'm going to go now search for that little piece that I dropped, and you all have a good night. So I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Happy crafting. Bye.